Hi everyone, it's Veronica and welcome to days 21 and 22 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar reveal. Let's see what we received for day 21. Alright, we received a set of dies, and these are the dies which creates a popsicle. So you have the stick with all of the detail. This is the base piece, or you can use it alone. Let me turn this around. And this is a piece that can be inset. This is the bite off the ice cream. This is the bite with sprinkles, if that's what you choose to use. And then you have these two pieces which will fit in here. Okay? And other items that I used to create it were glossy accents. These are the papers I selected from my stash, and I used vintage photo distress ink. And here is my yummy fudge sickle. I created a fudge sickle. Look at that stick with the detail. Let me do this. I think it'll show up a little better than on my hand. All right, there it is with the detail. And I made it just as fudgy as I could by adding the glossy accents on it. And I did double the stick so it could be finished in the back. And I wanted to do an embellishment. Well, it's an embellishment all by itself, but I wanted to add this scallop and then put this dangle on. But for some reason that stick is throwing me off, but it'll probably look fine once I do it. But we'll see. We'll see. All right, so that's the first one. That's day 21. And then for day 22, we received another set of sequins, another pack. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, these don't have holes. They come in different sizes, and it's quite a few of them. So that is what we received. And to create my project, I pulled out some of my favorite things items. I pulled out this cupcake die. Let's see, it is called Cupcakes and Sprinkles. And this was out of a card kit that I had not used. So that's a plus. But I used this piece and this piece. I made a shaker. So here are the shaker pouches that go with it. This paper was in the kit. Beautiful color. And this 6x6 pad. So I used 2 sheets out of here. And I also added some stars as shaker bits. And this was sent to me many years ago from SS Crafter 1, who is Tammy. Hadn't seen her around YouTube in a while, but I have communicated with her several times, and she is doing fine. And here is the card that I created, and it is a cupcake shaker card. And you can see the little stars in there. Here's one of the sheets that I pulled out, and here's the other. Doing this with the pouches was so easy. I didn't put a sentiment on the front because I didn't really want to stamp it directly onto the paper. So I'll figure that out. And then the inside. And this is the back side of the other sheet that I pulled right here with the balloons. And I will add another piece when I decide what message I will put on the inside. It'll probably be a handwritten message. So I'll just put another sheet over here. But that is what I created for these 2 days. And we have 2 days left. Days 23 and 24. So stay tuned for both of those. And thank you all so much for stopping by and watching. Happy crafting!